If we check for one day we're up $400 for 20. So I did multiple trades. You know, I did like 4 trades for SPY, and I think for Apple I did 3 trades. So it was good all around. It was a good day, and that's basically what I do. I look at the charts. Okay, I look at the charts and I analyze a chart using all these technical indicators. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the trading activities that I've been doing for like the past week or so. So I thought, let me get you guys caught up on my trading activities. I've been doing a bunch of things. I've been doing the whale strategy. I've been doing naked calls. I've been doing different iron condors. Just been doing all this different trading strategy to make some money in the market. So we're going to go over some of the trades that I've made this week. And I'll just share everything with you guys because that's what we do on this channel. I do dividend investing, day trading, growth investing, anything to get our money up the legal way. That's what we do on this channel. That's why it's called the $1 Million Challenge, because I challenge myself to get my money up to the first million and share my process with you guys on this channel. So if you're new, hit that like button for this video. Now I have to convince you to hit that like button. But please do, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're doing awesome things on this channel. So before we get into the numbers, like I always do, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified to tell you what to do with your money. So this video is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing with my money so you can see what's possible. This video is for educational purposes. Don't take this information as financial advice. And plus, all the trading information here, do not trade on them, because by the time you watch this video, it's already too late. Point of the video is for you to just watch, learn the process, and hopefully in the future, if you want, you can do something similar for yourself. But I'm not giving you financial advice, and I'm not telling you to do this. So don't sue me, bro. So let's get right into today's video. So we are gonna start with a couple of things. Let me start with my Robinhood. I usually like to start with my Robinhood. So this is the Robinhood. I think the last time I shared this with you guys, I had $5 grand in here because I moved some money into my day trading account. So my Robinhood is primarily the swing trading account. This is where I do the swing trading. This is where I do the whale strategy. Everything that has to do, everything that don't have to do with day trading, this is where I house it. This is where I have it. So let's just run through it, do an update. If we check for one day we're up $400 for 20. For the week, it's up $600, $670. Let me see if I can bring it closer. For the week, right up there, $681 actually, $681. And for the month, we're up $1,600 for the month. So that is not bad. For 3 months, we're up $3,200. And for 1 year, we're up $3,600. So this year we're looking good. We are doing all right so far. And what I do mainly with this Robinhood, all I care about when I do this updates and share with you guys, is that I want to just take a look at the 1 year mark and make sure that on a 1 year basis, I'm making money. That's the main thing for me when it comes to this Robinhood portfolio. I click on 1 year. I want to make sure I make money that year. Okay. So that's the main thing. So what we have here, it looks like we're going down. But let me share some of the trades with you guys. These are some of the trades that we have here. I have GME, and that's a naked puts. They're all naked puts and calls. I have GME, and I have AFRM. AFRM has been on a tear lately. It's been on a run. So I'll wait to see what's gonna happen. This is a swing trade. Both AFRM. It's a swing trade that I currently have open. And the reason why I have this swing trade on is, let me share this with you guys, is AFRM has been on a tear, like I said. So AFRM has been on a tear, and all I'm doing now is just I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen tomorrow. It looks like we are trading downwards here, but you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It had a huge jump. It was up $22. And as you guys can see on the Robinhood, and as you guys can see here on the Robinhood, I have 2 trades. So I'm covering the upside and the downside. Even though it will reduce my profit, If it goes up, I'll make money. If it goes down, I'll make money. You just don't have to stay sideways. If you stay sideways, I don't make money. Okay, so but AFRM has been having some big volatility, so it's been going up and down lately. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we get one more run up. That would be amazing if we can get this kind of run up tomorrow. This trade will probably the one that is up $210, probably up $600-700. That would be great. I missed out on trading this today. Actually, I wanted to trade this earlier on, but I didn't look at it for a second. I just missed out on trading it, and I'm just so mad at myself. But you know, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. So yeah, these are the trades that I have right now. GME and 2 AFRM. I have 1 call and 1 put. So that's what we're working with at the moment. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you my day trading account. This is where I primarily do my day trading. The reason why I have this 2 accounts is like on Robinhood, on one hand, it's good and everything, but like they only let you trade 3 times a week because of the PDT rule. And Robinhood can give me margin, you know. So I have my account split in 2. 1 trading account, 1 margin account. My trading account right now, this is what my trading account looks like. Today I traded SPY and Apple. And, you know, I can walk through what I did with you guys really quickly. But with SPY, I made 186. And with Apple, I made 89. That's cool. You know, it's nice. For the day, I'm going to take this, you know. 275 for the day. So that is 275 from day trading. And let me bring up, so I made 275 from day trading, $415 from swing trading, you know, overnight. Okay, so today brings my total. I'll put a tally up here so you see the tally. I'll do that when I'm editing the video. But yeah, it's been great so far. You know, this trading strategy has been working for me. I'm gonna keep on updating you guys. 1 year, I click on 1 year. All time, finally got out of the red. I was in the red for the all time on Robinhood, but finally got out of it. I really don't bother about the all time. It's more about the yearly thing for me now. So yearly right now we're up 3,600. Amazing. Just keep on pushing. This return is 86% return this year from trading, doing the wheel, swing, doing all this different, you know, trading strategy that's available for us out there. So 415 here and 275 here. So day trading 275, swing trading 415. So it's pretty good. We are looking good so far on this week. So yeah, that is what it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what I did with my one trade. Okay, I'm just gonna show you an example for the SPY trade. If I open up this SPY trade here, I'm gonna show you guys an example because it makes sense for me to show you an example. So I'm gonna show you the one that I made money on. So the one that I made money on is SPY 129 puts, and I was able to make $198 on that. So I'm going to bring up the chart now and show you what I did and, you know, just share with you how I make this money. So let me walk you guys through an example of my trades today, how I made, you know, how I made some money. So if we take a look here, we'll see that I made $186 right there. So I'm going to show you guys an example of how that happened. If you take a look here, I put in some trades here around 950. Okay, this was SPY and Apple, right? So this is a trade that made me some money. I was able to put in there around 950, and at the end of the trade, I think I sold it a couple of minutes later. It was around here. Okay, I know this might be a little bit confusing, but once you watch a couple of my charting videos, you're able to understand how, you know, the method to the madness when it comes to this charts. But I made all this stuff. It makes sense to me. You know, that's what I use. So it was around 9, around this area. This is a 10 minutes chart. Let me reduce this to a 3 minutes, and maybe that will be a little bit easier on the eye to look at. So let's scroll to around the time. Okay, so, oh, perfect, because I remember this. So here, okay, this is today's day, today's trading day. So the market opened down, and then all I did was just wait to let it consolidate and see what's gonna happen. Because usually when the market opened down like this or up, like straight up, it usually makes sense to wait for the market to consolidate so you can see and wait to see where the market is going before you make your trade. So that's what I did. I waited, and around 9:50, which is right here, if you guys take a look at the time, around 9:50, I placed a puts right here. So betting that the trade, the stock will go down. And if I look at my order book here, it was around 9:50. This was the SPY trade right here. This was a SPY trade. I'll put it around top of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. This was a SPY trade, and I was able to take this trade from here all the way down here. Okay, I was able to get out around this point, which is around 10:12. If I go back and look at my order book, let's take a look. I think I sold it for three something. It was around 10 anyways. Right here, look at the chart right here, around 10:12. I got out of a trade around, okay, so I think I got out of it around 10:05 or so. That's what my other book is saying. But I remember trading this, taking the trade down, and that is what made me that money there. Okay, so I did multiple trades. I did like 4 trades for SPY, and I think for Apple I did 3 trades. So it was good all around. It was a good day, and that's basically what I do. I look at the charts. Okay, I look at the charts and I analyze a chart using all these technical indicators, and I use it to make decision on what I'm buying and what I'm selling. Look at this. Look at the same thing here. Right here, you know, everything is pointing upwards, telling me that most likely this would probably go up, and that's what happened. The chart went up, and you can see right here with all the indicators, the super trend showing that everything is going up. So you could have basically around here jump in on the trade, and then just, you know, get out here, wait to see what's gonna happen. Then as it's going up again, jump back in, get out here, the first red that you see, and just wait to see what happened. And basically it just went flat. So this was a nice trading opportunity here for SPY today. And also in the mornings, the one that I took in the morning was a nice trade. This one too was a nice trade. So, you know, there's opportunities out there. There's opportunities out there to make money. You just have to learn a skill, you know. And like I always say, like I've been preaching on this channel, trading is a skill that can be learned. Okay, once you learn it, it's more about the knowledge. If you know how to trade, it helps you make money on a day-to-day basis. Like me, it helps me make money on a day-to-day basis. I'm making, you know, $150 every day on average. You know, that's pretty good. And over time, the more money you make, the more you can slowly increase the trade that you take. I'm talking about me. Taking the trade, increase the amount of trade that I take, which means I'm able to increase the amount of money that I make. Because if you're able to make, you know, $100, you're able to make 2, you're able to make 5, you're able to make 1,000, you're able to make 10,000. It's the same thing that you need. It's the same skills that you need to make $100. That's the same skills that you need to make $100,000. You know, the difference is just risk tolerance, you know, and your portfolio size, your trading account size. So that is the difference. I hope you get what I'm talking about in today's video. Here's my trading setup. I've done videos on this before. I'll leave those videos again in the link, and I'll put it in the cards. I use this. What you see right now, you know, I use this setup. It works well for me. And then I also use my Weibo setup here that you see. I use my Weibo setup, and this also helps me as well because it's easier for me to navigate really quickly across this different time frames, and you know, you can easily tell what's going on. Okay, right here you can take a trade here, get out here, get in here, get out here. It's pretty easy for me to understand this. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'm going to try to answer your questions. And, until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.
Key string 6, the reason.